Task Force GLM have arrived in Jordan, and we're here in one of the Gaza camps in Jordan.
We're delivering this aid now, and inshallah it's ready in time for when the winter sets in.
We're here in Jordan. It's very cold, it's very late, and as you can see, the distribution is still going on.
Alhamdulillah, we've arrived in our final camp here. It's called Jabir. We're literally a walk away from the border of Syria and Jordan borderline here.
أنا أبوي وأمي من غزة نزحوا سنة 67. الفقر كل ماله من أسوأ لأسوأ، يعني والله الحمد لله بنقول غير الحمد لله بس يبعد عنا شر الأمراض. طلع منظر البيت هو المكره الصحي اللي جاب لنا المرض، البيت نفسه هو اللي جاب لي المرض. كلياته يعني عايشين إحنا والعرس، إحنا والبسس، إحنا والعقارب، حديقة حيوانات عايشة فيها، والله لا تصلح للبشر. بس بنقول الحمد لله ما في بديل ولا في دخل.
The best part of today was to come out to see some of the needy families who require attention to their properties and to their homes, the way they're living, their conditions. Alhamdulillah, the assessment that we have made, they need a lot of attention, alhamdulillah. So over the next due course of our staying here, we'll be providing them with rectifying their properties and repairing their homes for them, inshallah, so they can have a better life, inshallah, for the future. We're going to, inshallah, the borders of Syria and Jordan, in an area called Mafraq. Mafraq, alhamdulillah, it's heavily populated with a lot of refugees there. Inshallah, there we're going to be giving out the winter parcels that you've kindly donated towards.
So we're here in Mafraq in Jordan, and we're distributing crucial winter aid. You may be able to see the sun shining behind me, but let me assure you that there is a bit of a chill here, and alhamdulillah, it's good because we're delivering this aid now, and inshallah it's ready in time for when the winter sets in.
عشت والله اللي معمر دار أشوى بس بالبيوت والله يوم النوش يوم الثلج وقعت البيوت وبرقت وادم وراحت والله أنا رحت مرتين على الدكتور مرضت العجوين وكره قريب من البرد اي والله بس الحمد لله من فضل الله وفضله كما خير كثير.
Here we're distributing blankets and clothing, heaters. With the heaters we're giving them a filled cylinder. In addition to the filled cylinder, we're also supplying them a voucher for an additional cylinder. Alhamdulillah, after this also there's a food parcel that goes with it. So from here onwards, inshallah, we'll be doing further distribution to further camps.
So we're here in Jordan. It's very cold, it's very late, and as you can see, the distribution is still going on. Once we get back to the UK, we're going to sit down as a team, go over everything that we've seen, and then see what other projects we can then bring on board.
We're actually only a mile away from the Syrian border here, between Syria and Jordan, and this is where we finish for the day. Here we have just 6 families, and it just shows you that we have to come out where the need is greater. We have 6 families who are exempted from aid. You can see behind me the brothers are actually distributing the winter aid packs to them. They're giving them the food parcels, the heaters, the cylinders to the heaters, a voucher in addition to the cylinder, so when it runs out they can purchase a new one, and also the vouchers for clothing as well. Alhamdulillah, mashallah, so the brothers are doing a tremendous job. It's cold, very, very cold, as you can see. Okay, gloves are on, hats are on, hoodies are on, and we're trying to, inshallah, complete our package for today so that tomorrow we have an early start.